Alright, hello guys, welcome back to this video. Today we're doing the 355 days Storj vs ScPrime update. We have received quite some data this time, I think, on the Storj side. But let's first go ahead and look at the Raspberry Pi running Storj. A really quick disclaimer. The app that you're seeing on the screen right now is the one that I'm using to keep my servers running and to monitor that they are working. It is free, and I'm going to leave a little link down in the description. It is really smart. You get a notification if your server goes offline. All right. So as we can see here, we have a 571 gigabytes of used bandwidth, and we have a disk that has been used for 2.37 terabytes. So we are getting towards that 3 terabyte mark on this 5 terabyte disk right here. And if we go look at the earnings for this unit, we can see that we have made $7.31 US from this Raspberry Pi and hard drive. So if we go look at the big machine and we remember this number, we can add it to the total. So 7.31. All right, so that's 7.31. Now looking at the bigger machine, we can see that the small node, which is I believe 1 terabyte, has used 187 terabytes this month, and we have a 100% completed full hard disk, and we have made $2.94 US this month. So let's go ahead and add that. US dollars. Now let's look at the big hard drive, the 12 terabyte one. We've used 662 gigabytes of bandwidth. We have getting closer to the 3 terabyte mark by having used 2.65 terabytes. And our earnings are looking at $9.99 US. So that's pretty good. Let's add that to the calculation, 9.99. And then let's go ahead and look at the SCP. Now I'm only going to take into account that the actual incentives. This is because I'm not seeing much data coming into the node, so I'm just going to look at the incentives. That's just how I choose to look at it. You could do it another way, but that's how I'm doing it. The current month's incentives is 109, and if we calculate that into US dollars, we can go ahead and see how much that is. That is $15.17. So we say plus 15.17. That equals $35.41 US for 1 month. I think that is pretty good. It is paying for the electricity for the machines, so that's decent. Hoping to get some more next month. But until then, I am making a 1-year special where I calculate the entire earnings. At least I try to calculate the entire earnings. So stay tuned for that. But so far, so good. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.